Okay, Nissan Sentra 2001 version. Okay, installed for Stinger 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM big screen casing, good fitting. Okay, IPS screen, multi-angle view, still same color. Okay, OEM socket plug and play. Okay, connect with reverse camera. This is RCA camera input. Cogoo night view reverse camera. Okay, Stinger 1GB RAM, 16GB storage, 10.1-inch, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen. Setting, network internet, turn on the Wi-Fi. Your phone share hotspot, connect player Wi-Fi for internet. System, about device, Android version 9, T3L, 1GB RAM, 16GB storage. Okay, big screen Android GPS, no SD card, no DVD slot. It's got a 2 USB extension. So 2 USB extension we'll put in a drawer. You can insert the USB pen drive or hard disk. Okay, radio. Okay, choose the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Volume. Okay, back to home. Full menu. It's got EQ equalizer. So normal, jazz feel, pop. This is preset equalizer. Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can use for the Bluetooth call. Got a mic input. Okay, and click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. You can share your phone music to car player. Okay, GPS navigation. It's got a GPS antenna here to detect your car. Okay, you can download Waze, Google Maps from the Play Store. Log in a Gmail to download app. Okay, got a video input and video output. Okay, music. Okay, back to home. It's got a flexible software control. Okay, got a shock. You can use selected app, use as a shortcut in a main page, left page or right page. Okay, back to home. Square icon to clear apps, create one by one or close all. Okay, long press to change your background. Choose from the wallpaper. Choose any picture, set wallpaper. Okay, so this is Stinger 10.1-inch Android GPS big screen player, IPS screen, 2.5D glass screen with OEM casing, good fitting, OEM socket plug and play for Nissan Sentra. Okay, install by 1bis and video by Andy. Thank you.